Ukraine's drone army keeps wearing down Russia's supply chain. They have also started to work more in swarm attacks, sending one after another. However, against a supply truck, it often only needs 1 or 2 strikes, as it's a non-armored target. However, this truck was in for a treat, as the first drone hit a bit low, most likely only damaging the truck. The second drone came in with a well-placed strike, most likely making the truck unrepairable. But as even a third drone came in, blasting off parts of the truck. So when a drone dropped a grenade down, it was more like punching a dead horse, only wanting to turn it even more to scrap metal, destroying another of Russia's supply trucks. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.